My name is Michele Harris, and my husband David and I opened Charm in 2011. So the Center for Healing and Regenerative Medicine, or CHARM, is located in Austin, Texas, and we serve the musculoskeletal community from age 9 to 99. When we began CHARM, Dr. Harris and I really wanted to design a center of excellence for musculoskeletal care within the community. And being from a physical therapy background and really taking a functional look at the human body, when we started CHARM, it was all about bringing together the structure and the function in one place. The atmosphere at CHARM is probably as important as the expertise. And so creating an atmosphere where a person feels at ease and an atmosphere where it's not only friendly but open, so that person can feel that healing from the time they enter in the front door and encounter our admin staff to the MAs taking good care of them. And then finally, a practitioner with hopefully the expertise that they came in looking for. Healing is a very multifactorial thing.